First I'm going to oil the drill tap. Make sure I'm on a low speed. Go in several threads, come back out. Remove the drill tap. I'm going to install the drill guide. This has a mark at 3/4 inches and it's 1.5 inch stock, so it puts the drill in the correct location for the anchor. Then I anchor the end fastener into the end of the tapped 80/20. Not to go too tight. Now I have a service hole for the Allen wrench to go through the 80/20 to anchor onto this. This slides onto the end fastener. Slides into the groove. And then I tighten up the end fastener, making sure this is flush on the bottom. That's how 80/20 is fastened. That's the hole for the Allen wrench. That's where the end fastener mounts into the 80/20, and this is just mounting two pieces together of 80/20 with an end fastener.